What is up, everyone? Charlie Brown's Excellent Adventures, and today I'm going to be unboxing a little something that goes on a Harley-Davidson. I know you're thinking, Charlie Brown, you don't ride no bike. No, I don't. But brother does. And we're going to see what came today. That's just receipt. Boom, 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 boom. I got this taped up, boy, like Christmas time. We're almost there, y'all. Halfway there. Alright, here we go, look. Boom, boom. We got all this most excellent bubble wrap. Look. Awesome. Hi, bud. Got to be easy. Okay, what we got here is some turn signals. I do believe need a little cleaned up a little bit. Got splitter wire there. Alright, this one needs tightened up a little tad bit. You know what I'm saying? It goes on your bar, whatever, whatnot. Tighten it up a little tad bit there. You know what I'm saying? These go for, I know I'm totally out of here, but a 06 Harley. This writing is small. My eyes is terrible, y'all. You already know that. Turn signal fork clamps. That's what this are. We got turn signals here, so you can be safe on the road. You don't want to be driving like me with no turn signal. And I am, I swear. Terrible, I gotta get them fixed. But these are definitely a necessity. I'm sure they'll be put on here in a little bit. Not too bad, not too bad. It's official, you know what I mean? This one here is tightened up, it's a little loose. But that's what they are. Soft tail chrome. Front turn signals. Brother rides, I don't ride. I'm not too responsible for it, to be honest. These ain't bad though, these have worked nicely. But we are going to be doing a video later on at the Zucchini Festival, so I want you motherfuckers there. But this is Charlie Brown, Excellent Adventures. And these are front turn signals for a Harley-Davidson. And I appreciate y'all watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.